Has your garage door opener stopped working? Is the door damaged, off the tracks, or is a cable or spring broken? If so, there is only one garage door company you should call: Alan Conkling's Garage Door Repair Service. Here is why. We'll return your call promptly. We understand that when your garage door isn't working correctly, it can be a big problem for you. We return calls 7 days a week from 7 a.m. till 9 p.m. We'll get out to your location when you need us. Your garage door will be repaired correctly. We'll send a skilled garage door repair expert out to you promptly. He'll assess the problem, show you the solution, and give you a quote. With your okay, he'll make the necessary repairs and have your garage door working smoothly, usually within an hour or two. Each of our technicians has over 10 years of garage door repair experience. They are courteous professionals, and they will make sure your garage door is fixed correctly using only top quality parts. We won't use cheap parts that will break down prematurely. We service all major brands, including LiftMaster, Craftsman, All-Star, Stanley, and others. Alan Conkling's Garage Door Repair Service has earned the Angie's List Super Service Award by consistently delivering prompt, reliable, fair-priced quality service. Here are just a few satisfied customer reviews on Angie's List. And here's more on Yelp. I know you will be pleased with our prompt, professional garage door service. We'll have your garage door operating smoothly in no time. Call Alan Conkling's Garage Door Repair Service at 610-937-1150.